and welcome to another Czar Money training session. In this module, we'll be going over how you can customize reports in Czar Money using our Insight functionality. Okay, let's get started. As you can see on our dashboard, we have multiple charts and graphs that shows our records in Czar Money in a visual fashion. You can customize your dashboard by dragging and dropping these data visualizations. If you're using Czar Money in a public space, you can also set your dashboard to privacy mode, so none of your financial information is exposed. You can also add an Insight report to your dashboard directly from the top bar navigation by going to Add a New Widget. Your Insight reports are broken down between widgets, customer and sales, as well as vendor and purchases insights. You can determine which reports show up on your dashboard by toggling the on and off switch. You can also add a new insight from this screen by navigating to the top of the pop-up and clicking Create Your Own Insight. So I want to see a report on my dashboard that shows me the deposited check detail by month. To do this, I'm going to show my total payments, and I'm going to select current year as the time. Now I need to add additional filters. I'm going to break down by month. The next filter I'm going to add is a breakdown by check, and my last filter is a breakdown by deposited. So I want to be able to visualize all the details of the transactions that meet this criteria. So I'm going to select the checkbox next to details. And yes, I want it formatted as a table. Okay, and here is the report that I wanted. So I'm going to go up to the top and click Save Insight. Now if I want to remove this, I can simply click the trash can icon. Or if I want to create an insight that is similar to this, I can also duplicate this insight and then make my edits and save. Okay, so I'm satisfied with this report. I'm going to save my insight. Okay, I'm going to go back so I can add this report to my dashboard. And as you can see, my report popped up. I can change the size of my report by simply clicking on the bottom right-hand corner and dragging to drop. You may not even have to add your own insight. Czar Money has many insight reports already. To view these, go to the top bar navigation and select Reports. Insights is going to be the first icon on the left-hand sidebar. Instead of creating a new insight report, you can simply edit an insight report that Czar Money already has. For example, I want to see sales this quarter by week. So I can simply click on the sale last 30 days by day and change the time to current quarter and then add a breakdown by week. And instead of a line graph, I want to see it by bar. If I want to see the report by number of sales, rather than aggregate amount, I can check the box that says count. And then I want to change the title to say sales for current quarter by week. And then I'm going to save. And there is my report. Okay, these were just quick examples of how to create your own insights or edit an existing insight to show your data in the way that you need to visualize it. Okay, that's all for this training session. For more help, visit us at czarmoney.com.